a quick overview of literature on Albert. Albert offers a wide selection of commonly taught literature as well as new classics. Unlike our passage-based courses, our literature selections assess the entirety of a novel. Each course contains hundreds of questions that assess simple comprehension and high-level analytical skills. Let's dive in. Each of our literature courses is split into two themes: chapter analysis and literary analysis. The chapter analysis theme contains chapter review questions at different difficulty levels. We ensure all of our chapter analysis questions do not contain any spoilers for the novel's upcoming sections. Our literary analysis theme reviews big picture concepts for each novel, including social historical context, literary devices, and themes. Spoiler alert! Our literary analysis questions apply to the entire novel and may contain spoilers. We recommend saving these until students have finished the novel. All of our literature courses are aligned to Common Core state standards for English language arts and literacy, as well as a number of state standards. Each question includes tags for easy searching. Our skill-based tags cover commonly taught skills, such as central idea, supporting details, and diction. Our content-based tags help you find readings related to genre, time period, author identity, and more. You can find all our tags on each subject's overview page. Our diverse question types help students engage in higher-order thinking skills and practice recall and comprehension. In addition to traditional multiple-choice questions, our courses also use multi-select, text select, and fill-in-the-blank questions. Multi-select questions have more than one right answer, so students can exercise their critical thinking skills. We're always sure to tell students exactly how many answer choices to select, so there's no room for confusion. Text select questions ask students to select the best evidence or supporting details to prove a claim. Fill-in-the-blank questions measure students' recall and reading comprehension. Students fill in the blank with the correct character or plot point to test both comprehension and retention. Each question features a thorough, detailed explanation so students can build their understanding. Each literature course contains several easy-to-use assessments, so you can securely track your students' reading progress and comprehension before moving on to a new section of the text. Each locked quiz is 10 questions long and consists of 5 multiple-choice and 5 fill-in-the-blank questions. Our literature subjects are versatile. Use our 10-question chapter quizzes or vocabulary topics as bell ringers or exit tickets. Use comprehension questions to assess that students have done their reading. Our literary analysis questions are the perfect springboard for in-class conversation or for homework. Best of all, you can use literature to supplement any other Albert courses, from vocabulary to grammar to AP to essential readings, and even our history courses. Build interdisciplinary connections and ELA skills at the same time. Albert is always adding and diversifying our literature library based on teacher feedback. Explore our courses and suggest new ones by going to Albert.io.